EZG Manufacturing specializes in contract manufacturing services, creating theoretical products with complex design specifications and delivering on time every time. We offer CAD/CAM design and modeling services to increase the manufacturing ability to meet your needs. With a team of highly trained engineers, project managers, and more than a decade of experience, we create products with complex designs and provide on-time delivery. Our capabilities include MIG, TIG, and robotic welding, machining, milling, rolling, forming, laser cutting, custom fabrication services, and many more. Our shop is equipped with technology and specialized equipment designed to create nearly everything. We fabricate mezzanines, catwalks, stairs, storage tanks, and cabinets. We work with a variety of materials, including Hastelloy, aluminum, plastics, steel, carbon steel, and other specialty metals. If your project is outside of our standard sizes or specifications, our custom shop can create what you need. Our team is responsive, attentive, and provides project solutions with guaranteed satisfaction. To learn more about our services, contact us today.